Stop creating motivational YouTube Shorts channels like this one. The truth is they won't get monetized, and if they do, it's only a matter of days or probably weeks before you get that demonetization message like this one from YouTube. You see, I have created such a channel, and after getting 10 million views in 90 days, I hit my first dead end. Yes, I applied for the YouTube Partner Program and got rejected. Why? Because those videos didn't meet the YouTube Shorts monetization policies. But hold on. You've probably watched videos from YouTube gurus telling you how they actually get monetized by uploading such videos. Yes, but what they don't show you is the crazy amount of work they put in to create just one 30 seconds long video. You see, those channels spend hours and hours editing their videos, and on top of that, they possess good editing skills using high-end softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. But what if I told you that there's an easy way to create motivational shorts and reels that get millions of views and can be monetized? In fact, this method is absolutely new and just a few channels are using it already. And guess what? Their videos get millions of views and they just started about 2 to 3 months ago. Here's one example of such a channel. They've gotten over 27K subscribers within just 3 months, and one of their videos has gotten over 1 million views. As a matter of fact, here's a video that they just posted about 3 days ago and has gotten over 100K views. This shows how super easy it is to quickly blow up on YouTube and start making money with shorts like this. And no, this is not just a regular motivational YouTube shorts. These guys are doing something absolutely different and new. It's an absolute genius. Let me explain. You see, instead of posting normal motivational shorts, these channels literally turn motivational speeches into engaging short stories using AI. This way, the YouTube Shorts algorithm will see their content as different and quickly push it to a wider audience. And that's why their videos keep getting millions and millions of views. Let's play one of the videos so you would get what I'm talking about.
If you put 100 black ants and 100 red ants in a jar, nothing will happen. But if you shake the jar, the ants will start killing each other.
You get the point now. So stick with me because in this video, I'll be taking you through the complete step-by-step guide on how to create those types of videos using only ChatGPT and CapCut. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'll show you the secret these guys use to make every single one of their videos go viral once uploaded, so you too can apply it and start getting millions of views on your shorts. So to create this types of shorts, we will be relying on 2 tools. First is ChatGPT, and we will be using it to generate the script for our video. Now pay attention because there are 2 ways to go about this, the easy way and the complicated way. Since I don't want to make things complicated for you, my viewers, let's go with the easy way. And here you'll be getting the idea of your script from one of the videos on these motivational channels. However, you don't necessarily have to do that all over by yourself, as I have the prompt all set up for you in the description below. So basically what we are telling ChatGPT in this prompt is that we will be giving it a transcript from a motivational video, and we want it to come up with 5 similar ideas for our own video. So after entering the prompt, what you'll get is a list of motivational video scripts written like stories. Once you get that, let's move to the next step. Now we want to turn the script into a voiceover. For this, we will be using a text-to-speech website called 11 Labs. In case you don't know, what this website does is that it takes your scripts and then turns them into speaking voices. To use it, just copy your script from ChatGPT and then paste it here in 11 Labs. Now you want to select a voice. I recommend a deep voice like Adam or Marcus, as I found them to be the perfect fit for these types of videos. You can play through and listen to the voices one by one in case you want something even better. So once you're done with that, click on generate, and in just a few seconds your voiceover will be ready, then download it. Once that is done, let's go to the next step, getting stock footage. You see, if you really want videos that will quickly go viral, you need to use compelling visuals just like the channels I showed you earlier. I mean, you want to look for something that transpires success, for instance, supercars, vacation lifestyles, or even luxury homes, so your viewers can get hooked in. To get this, you have 2 options. Either you use Instagram or get them from stock footage websites like Pexels. Instagram might be the best option here, but for the sake of time, I'll be using a stock footage website because it is also as good after all. So what you want to do now is head over to Pexels and then search for supercars. Click on videos, play through, and then download 3 to 5 different footage you found cool. Now you want to search again, this time for luxury homes, then select videos and download another 3 to 5 footage, and you want to do so for vacation too. Now that you have your stock footage as well as your voiceover, the next step is to weave them all into a single video. For this, you can use any of your preferred editing software, but as promised, I'll be using CapCut. Now, when you're on CapCut, first you want to import your files, including those footage and voiceover. Then first, drag your voiceover onto your timeline and then followed by the stock footage. Now you want to change the aspect ratio of the video to 9:16 since we are creating YouTube Shorts. Once that is done, now you want to do some adjustments to the footage. For example, if it's too fast, reduce the speed, and most importantly, make sure you reduce the brightness of all the footage so it will bring out that dark and motivational vibe. Now, since people who watch YouTube Shorts have very short attention spans just like the name, you want to quickly transition between your footage, so I recommend you set them to show for a maximum of 5 seconds each. So to do that, click on the first footage and then reduce the time to 3 to 5 seconds, then click on the second one also and reduce it to 3 or 5 seconds too, then continue doing so for the rest of the footage till the end of the video. Once you're done with that, you want to add transitions. For this, I recommend the fade out transition. Just click on where it says transition, then find the fade out transition. It looks something like this, and then add it to all the clips one by one. Once that is done, the next step is to add text. For this, we will be using a feature called auto caption in CapCut. Just head over to the text area and then click on where it says auto caption and then create. And in just a few seconds, your caption will be ready. Now you want to edit it to make it look more attractive. To do this, just click on where it says template in the top right corner, then play through and select the template you found better for your video. You can also change the color, play around with the sizing, and probably change the fonts also to make it look great overall. With all that done, your video is now ready. But wait, what about background music? You see, I would have suggested you use music from Pixabay, but I promised at the beginning of this video to show you exactly how to go viral with these types of shorts. So here's the secret. We will be using music from YouTube itself. You see, just like TikTok, YouTube Shorts favors videos that use trending music on their platform. So just go back to CapCut, export the video like that, and then while uploading it on YouTube Shorts, just click on where it says sounds and make sure you look for cool background music from the sounds recommended for you and then use it. Don't forget to reduce the sound before posting it, and this way, your shorts is all set up properly for the virality. Now let's take a look at what we just created.
A wealthy family volunteers at a community kitchen. After serving and dining with the less fortunate, they discuss their experience. The young daughter says, "Today I saw real wealth. We have a chef. They cook for each other. We have a big house. They have a big heart. We seek entertainment. They find joy in helping others." The parents are moved as she adds, "True wealth is in giving and sharing, not just having."
If you enjoyed it, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on ideas and tutorials just like this one. Until next time, peace.